back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage, and I'm coming to you guys from the future because a couple of days ago I worked on that Voodoo Blue 4RUNNER that I posted a video of a few months back. Beautiful car, at a noise at cold weathers, according to the service bulletin by Toyota, at 40 degrees or below. What I found, it's pretty cool. You should stay tuned and check it out. Alright, so today we're going to be completing a service bulletin, which includes a knocking noise from the front shocks, cold weather only. So these Fox Racing shocks make a little bit of noise when it's cold, 40 degrees or below. In order to get these guys out, get it loosen tie rod, lower control arm. The sway bar comes completely off, as you can see. Those arms also got to come out in order for you to drop the entire sway bar. And this is what you get when you open the box. Surprise, surprise. Alright guys, so this is the important part of the video that I definitely wanted to share with you guys. You see how close these two pieces are? Clearly rubbing. Not to mention, if you look closely, the clear coat is already gone in a lot of the sections. Is that a problem? Yep. Look at the new one. So that's probably one of the key points on redesigning this strut assembly, is the proximity of the end coil. This clearly looks like the correct way of doing it. All right, so everything back together. New struts in. Everything should look somewhat like that. Yeah, you definitely want to put that bracket after the sway bar. Call me crazy, guys, but I always like to go through everything that I did, because you never know. We are human after all, and we all make mistakes. So this is what I usually do after every single job. So there you have it, guys. Just like that, we replaced the complete strut assemblies on this car, and she has no more noises. I want to know what your thoughts are on this roof rack. Is it me, or this thing is like a complete copy of the FJ Cruiser stock roof rack? Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear what you guys think about this rack. I like it and I don't. I don't know. I would have to actually own it to see if it grows on me. But let me know what you think. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. If you can, subscribe. I hope you enjoy the content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Process that takes from you, there it is, from the point that you trade that in, and what do I do to prep it to get it sold?